Okay, it is Wednesday, and we are going to do page 315 and 316 in math. It's the one that has the little kangaroo rats on the bottom here. These are actually protected. Did you know that? We, in fact, just a little side note, I have some property here in Corona, and we can't do certain things on our property because we have to protect these little kangaroo rats. Aren't they cute? Anyway, okay, number one, you're going to write sums and differences using money. Make sure to bring your decimals down and your dollar points, dollar signs. Then we are going to be doing, you can pause if you want, but I want to go over the graph. This is a pictograph. We've talked about these before where you have a picture. And this graph is of animals seen while camping, and it shows Dad, Mom, Ashley, Jacob, and Emily, and it shows how many rabbits they see, or kangaroo rats, I should say. Or animals. Now, the only thing is you would think Dad saw 3, but that's the trick, because you have to look at this. Each rabbit, or little figure here, is 3 animals, so you're counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9. Now, like I've told you before on these graphs, I like to write on here so you can do it quickly. So how many did Mom see? How many did Ashley see? 3, 6. How many did Jacob see? 3, 6, 9, 12. You guys are good at counting by 3s by now. And then Emily saw 3. Okay, now this is easy. How many animals did each person see? Write a multiplication sentence to show your answer. Okay, so this is tricky because you might not understand this, but it's really not hard. So like Dad, he saw 3 groups of the rabbits, right? So 3 times 3 is 9. So how many did Mom see? Because this is 3 animals. So she saw 1 group of 3. 1 group of 3 animals. Okay? How many groups of 3 did Ashley see? 1, 2. 2 groups of 3. That's how you got 6. How many did Jacob see? 1, 2, 3. 4 groups of 3. Okay, you do these 2. All right, number 3, you're measuring inches. That's what that means. Centimeters and inches. Did you know that kangaroo rats, they never drink water? Isn't that crazy? Okay, pause your video, finish that, and we're going to head over to the back. On the back side of your page, you have a map. We have A, B, C, and D here. And this is the Arches National Park. So it says measure between points A and B. How many miles between points? Now, here's the tricky part. Each of this shows you this is 2 miles. So what you're going to do is you are going to draw a line with your ruler between A and B. You need to measure this, which I think that's probably an inch, okay? And each inch is 2 miles. So let's say from A to B, let's just say it's 2 inches. You would have to go 2 times 2 to get the total here. All right, and so on 2, you measure point C to D. You're going to draw a line here with your ruler, and you're going to measure it, and you're going to see how many miles it is. But each inch is 2 miles, so you're going to have to multiply. So like if you had 2 inches, you would have to go 2 times 2. If you had 3 inches, you would have to go 3 times 2. I'm not sure what this measures. I'm going to let you do that. Okay, then this part's easy because it says color the national park area green. Well, you're like, how do I even know? Like, where is that? Okay, the national park area is all this is green. Okay, because this is all of Arches National Park, this whole thing. with your red crayon. How are you going to know which line is the road? Well, it's easy because it shows you right here. This solid line is the road. So that's what you're tracing red. Okay? And then it says, find a hiking trail and trace it with black crayon. So where's the hiking trails? They're the little dotted lines. See? Those are actually hiking trails. This is the road and this is the hiking trail. So you're gonna trace the hiking trails in black. Then you have to circle 3 picnic areas. Look here, here's your picnic sign. Find 3 of them and circle them. And then you have to draw a box around the visitor center. Here's the visitor center in green. Find it on your map. I'm not going to show you where, maybe down here somewhere. Draw a box around it. And then you have to find a place to get a drink. And it shows you here where the drinking water is. Okay, and you're going to put a triangle around that. Like this. Just gave you one answer. All right, guys, have fun.